It is finally time, and I say finally because this video will be coming out about 2 weeks after we filmed this. Laura, how are you?
Good. I wonder what's in here.
Yeah, we can't show you that just yet, but so what are we doing today?
Handover.
Handover of what?
The new car.
The new car. So the reason we're not at a car garage is that Laura's back working and you're working very hard, so we didn't want to book a day off just to go and get a break. Yeah, just go and get a car really. So we're on Laura's lunch break, and luckily enough the guys at, well, not say it just yet, have brought the car here so we can do a bit of a handover, have a bit of lunch, which is lovely. Obviously I want to share this experience with you because it's,
you love me.
Yeah, it's very much a team effort, and sometimes like doing stuff like that on your own isn't, yeah, you don't want to do stuff like that on your own. So we're here and I'm absolutely buzzing. Guys, get in the comments below, what do you think it is? Yeah, I'm a bit, I don't know, I haven't eaten any lunch, have I?
I didn't sleep last night either.
So really, the Porsche was a dream car, loved it. We were very lucky to get out of it as we did when we did. So I've done a couple of videos on that. Long story short, we basically made money on the Porsche, so I had a car for nothing for all summer. And then we thought, how can we rebirth this channel to the point where we can kind of grow followers, grow Instagram, stuff like that, and just make it a little bit more spicy. You see, I've always had 2 cars when we've been doing this channel, and I thought, why don't I just pile all that together and have 1 car?
Have you done the logic of not cancelling the other order?
I haven't actually. Oh, in fact I have. I haven't done it yet, but I will have a video on, we cancelled the X5.
So we'll know that we cancelled the X5. So the logic is, we're obviously getting married next year.
Yeah.
We do not need a big family 4x4
yet. So it seemed a little bit daft paying
for 3 cars,
a lot of money for a BMW X5, which is a great car, but the guys at BMW Sandal were fantastic. I've cancelled the order, but they know that I'll be back for something probably end of next year. Yeah. So to fill that gap, we've got something coming. Now, it's been a long time in the making, and some of my friends will know what it is, and I'm sure you're watching this video, hopefully you're not ruining it in the comments. Should we come and park it here? So I'd love to hold the suspense a little bit longer, but unfortunately, Laura's got to go back to work, haven't you?
Yeah.
Laura, are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Go for it. Oh. Check that out. Happy?
Yeah, very happy.
So it is an Aston Martin Vantage. Wonderful.
James Bond colour.
James Bond colour. Fulham. Riley, get back to work.
Do you want this now?
Yes. So we're welcoming Connor. Connor, how are you?
Right. How you doing?
So Connor Swain from Aston Martin Leeds.
One, yeah.
You've sorted us out an absolute humdinger here.
Yeah.
It's what a car this actually is. I'm even going to get some foliage in here just to get a better look. But I think that is some car. Laura, I'll see you later. We'll go for a drive a bit later on. But Connor, you sent me through earlier a bit of a spec list. And I say spec list, you've sorted us out here, haven't you?
Yeah.
You've sorted us out quite a lot.
It's
got a big one. Right,
yeah, that's the one.
First of all, we're going to talk colour. We're going to talk how current it is. We're going to talk spec of this Aston Martin Vantage.
So this particular one is finished in tungsten silver.
Yeah.
It's quite a Bond-esque colour, being a nice light grey.
Yeah.
It's got lots of flecks of metallic in there as well, which is really nice to see. This particular one is spec'd up with the gloss black packs, which means that you get the gloss black front splitter. As you walk around, you'll see the side skirts also.
Oh, that
finished
pops,
in a lovely
doesn't it?
gloss black, which ties in really nicely with the bodywork on the car, finished in that grey. And as you come around the back, you've also got the rear diffuser as well, which is
that's in the body colour, isn't it? Which
yeah,
just
that's
looks
the one. Yeah,
absolutely
so underneath
awesome.
You've got the body colour, and here, as part of the black pack, you've got the gloss black as well.
Yeah.
And as you look at the top of the car, this particular car has got the gloss black roof and mirror caps, which means that it's got the upper black pack as well. That means that the gloss black roof and the mirrors tie in really nicely. The gloss black roof actually makes the car look lower to the naked eye as well, as opposed to a body coloured one. So Really, really nice spec.
I absolutely love it. I love the wheels as well. There's a name for these, is there?
Yeah, so they're the diamond face rotational wheels, partnered up there with the red brake calipers as well, which when we look in the interior in a second, we will see why
it matches. I haven't even thought about the interior. It matches wonderfully, doesn't it?
Yeah, I'll open the door. Let's have a look at the interior.
You need to work out to use that handle as well.
Oh, yeah.
So we've got the contrast stitching in red, which is stunning. I think that really pops. We've got the Vantage in the back of the seat there. Sometimes you can get an Aston Martin logo there,
yeah, that's right. You can get the wings badge, but in this case it's got the Vantage logo, which I think is quite subtle, to be fair, because the red stitching, red badges can look a bit too much sometimes.
Yeah.
These seats are ventilated as well. As you can see, it's perforated on there.
Yeah.
They're ventilated as well as heated, so that's a really nice option to have as well.
I love how the doors work slightly up as well, so you're not going to curb the door.
Yeah, that's the one.
And the huge thing here as well, Connor, can we open the boot and just show them?
Yeah,
because everyone was saying that the Porsche isn't practical enough. It wasn't practical. The roof box may make an appearance if we're going on a long trip, but I'll tell you what, the plates are ready and golf clubs will fly in there, no problem, and put the parcel shelf down. The dog can go there.
Awesome.
Perfect.
Awesome.
So guys, that is a brief overview of our new car, myself and Laura. I will do a full spec talk video about exactly what is in that. But for me, I'm absolutely over the moon with that, Connor, so thank you ever so much for sourcing it. We've been in contact a while over Instagram, haven't we?
Yeah, we have as well over Instagram.
So if you don't...
I'm on Instagram as Aston Martin Connor, and you can also follow Aston Martin Leeds along the journey as well, so they're at Aston Martin _Leeds.
Fantastic.
If you want to follow us, we've got all sorts of stock in, and I'd be more than happy to help you guys. So
awesome. So guys, long story short, I drove it was just a standard Vantage, wasn't it, but with the F1 pack on it?
It was here at Beaucliffe Hall.
That was
with
here,
the Vantage demo. Had the Cognizant and F1 livery over it.
That's the speed limit, so slow down.
Which was a wrap, and we had a test drive day, and
we had a test drive day, and he got me in. Brett was there as well, and Brett absolutely loved it as well. So buzzing to be driving this every day. Probably won't take it out in the winter too much. I'll have to get a bus pass or something. But Connor, thank you ever so much, mate, for your time.
Sweet.
Now I've just realised that we haven't even turned her on yet, so I'll turn her on. Do you want to take this round?
Yeah, of course. There's the key.
Ah, wonderful. Oh. Wonderful. So guys, this is a couple of days later because, to be honest, when we set off, I just wanted to get home and kind of learn how it all functions and things like that. Hard to take it all in, really. I absolutely love it. I'm going to show you around a little bit of the inside to finish this video off. And first of all, I'd like to thank you all for watching the video and for supporting both channels. And if you've got any negative comments to say, just don't bother, leave them at home. As Laura says, if you don't like it, don't watch. Laura's at work again, actually, now. So we've got a little passenger today. You like it, mate, don't you? Is it more comfortable than the old one? I think it is. So looking inside here, it's just such a cool place to be. You can see that the clusters here, keep calling clusters, I've no idea why. Got the start stop button there, and that's just a nice, yeah, that noise is quite lovely. You want to get up there, maybe, because the engine's over here. We'll turn that off. Park, reverse, neutral, drive, and then we've got little buttons here. That's the magic button, as I found out. That puts it either in sport mode or track mode. That stiffens the suspension and does whatever you want to it. And that's the horn, as you all know. Apart from that, to be honest, the infotainment system could do with a bit of work. I'm considering Apple CarPlay in there, even just after a few days. This is quite cool, so that's a nice touchpad, and then there's a kind of wheel that you can move around there just to kind of change your radio stations and stuff like that. I've got the aux cable in. Really funny story. I was talking to the guys at the garage, Connor. I was like, Connor, where on earth does the USB port go? I can't find where the USB port goes. And I was trying to get it in there. And I was like jamming my finger in there, wasn't I, mate? Oh. I don't know what I just did there, but anyway, we'll turn you back off. So yeah, I don't know what that is, but we found it, mate, didn't we? I absolutely love this car inside. It is wonderful. It's a lovely place to be. I'm going to finish the video here. There's loads and loads and loads of content coming. We're going on trips in this car. We're going to daily use this car. We're going to basically just do loads of fun stuff with this car. So guys, thank you so much for watching. And yeah, cheers.